Hey guys, it's Emmanuel. I'm here to open my Magneto that I won on the giveaway at Toy Quest. Thanks to Miguel at Toy Quest and thanks to Todd at Spec Fiction. You guys are the best. I finally picked up the box. It's 2 boxes. It's huge. So exciting. I'm going to show you, the box and then I'll unbox it and I'll show you the what it looks like on my display. So very exciting. That's the Magneto XM. That's the 2 boxes. They're huge, so awesome. Here we go. Legendary Beast Magneto. And I believe that's the exclusive version, so with the 2 portraits or 3 portraits, I forgot. But anyway, I'm gonna open those boxes and I'll get back to you. Guys, check it out. The box is huge. That's the first box. That's my hand. So, look at that. Amazing artwork. Oh, yes. So cool. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah. It's like a workout just to open it. Ooh, yes. Check out the box, so cool. Here's a styrofoam box. Legendary Beast Studios. That's the box number 1. Yes. Check that out, so cool. Box is huge. Magneto. Here we go for the first layer. Ooh. Lots of pieces. More than I expected. All right. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's 1 portrait. Oh, yes. Cool. So that's the second layer. Oh, looks great. That's the base. That's the body. So many pieces. I couldn't find the instruction, so it's gonna be a little bit complicated if I don't find it. I hope I do, because yeah, it's like a giant Lego. And I'm only on the first box, only on the second layer. But it looks great from what I see. Hope I find the instructions. So I just opened the second box. It's huge, same as the first one. This one. I'm hoping to get an instruction manual. That's what it looks like. It looks freaking awesome. I'll show you later. But yeah, I'm hoping for the instruction manual because it's my first time doing a third piece third scale piece, but there's so many metal things that I have no idea where it's going in, and I'm sure it's gonna look great, but I'm really hoping for an instruction manual, because otherwise it's gonna take me a month to figure out where it's going. But so far it's looking great. I'll show you. So again, the box is huge. I don't know if you can see it, but it's freaking big. It's the box. So look, it's all these pieces that, you know, I need to figure out where it's going. But check it out. It looks so freaking good so far. So you have to put the cape. I love the base. It's awesome. Yeah, it's gonna look amazing. It's my first third scale statue, so I'm very excited. Hey guys, so I did open the box, the second box, which is huge. It's even bigger than the first one, and I couldn't find the instructions. So I'm like, okay, how am I gonna do that? Because there's so many pieces, and I actually thought about, okay, I'm gonna check on YouTube, and of course on YouTube they have the instructions, so it's like a whole video. So I've been doing that. I found all the little pieces because there's a lot of metal pieces, so which is super cool. And check that out. That's the magnetic field box. The whole box is only like 2 magnetic fields. So that's gonna look awesome. I'm gonna take some white gloves to handle those, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. So again, that's the box. It's huge, like huge. And here we go. Here we go. So I just want to tell you, that's the, like I said, that's the first time I do a third scale. That's here. I'm going to show you in a second. This is the first time I do a third scale statue, and this one has a lot to put together, which is so much fun when you have the instructions. Otherwise, it's literally impossible. It will take me 1 year to just figure out how to do it. But yeah, it's so much fun. It's really cool to put it together. It's a lot of metal pieces that, you know, you have no idea where it's going in. It's like a crushed satellite. And yeah, I think I'm pretty much done with all the little pieces. I'm going to show you. So that's the box. There's a bunch of little pieces everywhere, metal pieces. That's the heads, which, you know, I'm gonna do different switch outs to show you. Super freaking cool. Love this one. I'm gonna show you. But anyway, so look at the statue now. That's what it looks like. It looks awesome. Like really cool. And that's the whole thing I just made. The crushed satellite, I guess. Something like that. It looks freaking awesome. But, you know, not finished yet. I still have the cape. So the cape is here. But for some reason I tried to put it together earlier and it didn't work. So I don't know. I need to figure this out. But yeah, oh yeah, so that's what I wanted to say. So since my first time doing a third scale statue, I have to say it's huge boxes. Like, it takes a lot of space. And yeah, it's pretty heavy too. You know, I'm strong, so I'm cool, but this is the Predator Deluxe bonus version. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna keep working on him, and I'll be back to you later. But it is so much fun. It is lots of work on this statue, I have to say, but so much fun. It's pretty easy. They have colors and letters, which is very cool, so you can plug the little pieces with the instructions, of course. But yeah, I'm happily surprised. I just thought I'm going to put it together. I don't know. I never had a third scale, and yeah, it's really cool to do. It's like something, I don't have kids, but you know, if you have kids or a son or, you know, even a girl, that would be so much fun to do that with them, like together. It's you know, it took me at least a good hour to do it, you know, and I'm not finished yet. So yeah, I'll be back in a second with the rest, hopefully finishing it. Okay, so I was able to install everything. The cape looks freaking cool. Amazing. I chose this portrait, this hand, and I'm gonna install the magnetic field now. Just want to show you what it looks like now. It looks freaking amazing. All the details are mind-blowing. Looks like he's really flying. Okay, gloves on. Wow, so cool. It's huge. I don't know if you can see on this video, but it's freaking huge. Okay, that's the first piece. Oh yes. So nice. Alright. It's gonna look so good. Oh, it's so freaking cool. So that's the magnetic field. Oh, okay. The paint is amazing. It looks so beautiful. Okay, cool. Let's put it on the statue. It's huge, it's big like me. Let's do it. Put this one first. There we go. Let's go, baby. Yes. Amazing. Yes. So cool. Alright, then we'll put the big one. This one goes in the back, but I won't be able to. I don't have enough space. I wish I did, but I have to, I have to find a different spot. I cannot fit this one. It's the medium one. Check this out. It's gonna look so freaking badass. Alright, I have to put this one on the other side. Alright, so it goes here. Il n'y a pas le... C'est bon, non? Come on. Yes. Perfect. Oh, yes. So cool. Wait. Can you put this on? Of course I can. see what it looks like from far. It was very easy to put. Oh, yes. It's so freaking cool. That's my Magneto statue. Thanks to Todd at Spec Fiction and Miguel at Toy Quest. Guys, you're the best. That's the statue I won at the giveaway, and I'm so happy. I just set it up, and it's amazing. It's so big. I don't know if you can see the size. I'm a big guy, so this is freaking awesome. I'm going to show you the details, but thank you guys, you're the best. I love this statue, I love this Magneto, it's amazing. It's my first third scale, so I'm very impressed. It's actually very big. I'm totally in love with third scale now. It's going to be hard to keep going on fourth scale, but it's just such a beautiful statue. I love everything about it. I mean, you know, obviously the effect of the fist with the power energy, the portrait is amazing, the body is amazing, the hand, it's amazing, all the details of the crushed satellite is just amazing. So many little bent metal pieces, and you can feel the power of the statue, and especially with this magnetic field. There's a third piece of the magnetic field that goes in the back, but I don't have the space to set it up now, so I'm gonna have to set it up when if I put it somewhere else. The cape is amazing, the sculpt, everything about this piece is amazing. I'm blown away, and I'm, you know, just in love with it. In love with it. Actually, well, yeah, no, I don't have the space, but if you have the space for it, I would recommend to put the Lazy Susan base on it, and then you can turn it around. That would be so freaking cool. But as it is now, it's just perfect, and thank you guys. Thanks Todd, thanks Miguel, you're the best. I'm so happy right now, you made me the happiest man on earth. Thank you so much guys. Toy Quest and Spec Fiction, check it out. Todd at Spec Fiction, I buy most of my stuff from him. He has the best stuff on the planet. And Miguel at Toy Quest, you rock, man. Check out his YouTube channel, Toy Quest, and he's doing an awesome work with his daughter. I cannot thank you guys enough. You're the best. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm going to show you a little bit of a close-up, you know, of the statue, and yeah, hopefully it shows how beautiful it is. But in real life, it's just amazing. So I'm gonna have the Hulk that I have on order with Todd at Spec Fiction already. It's gonna come probably by the end of the year. So I'm gonna have the Hulk, I'm gonna have him, and I'm gonna order Thanos when he comes out. And Chris, you just Chris from the Batman Statue Collector, you just show me the Batman from LBS. So I'm gonna get that probably as well as soon as we see what it looks like. So it's very exciting. I'm gonna have you know, four, hopefully, 4 of the legendary beast statues, and they are beautiful, amazing. Let me show you. So guys, check it out. The portrait is amazing. Fist. You can feel the power, and the base just out of this world. Cool. Magnetic field. That's some serious statue. Such a majestic statue. That's really the word that comes to mind. It's very majestic. Like, it feels like it's a god, like the fury of God Magneto. And check out the details on the base. It's all sculpted. Even, I mean, you know, the boots and everything is amazing. The paint work is just perfect. Makes me want to get the Thor, but usually I like bad guys, so, you know, I'm more into villains. That's what I like to collect. Amazing portrait. You can feel the power in his face. So freaking cool. The helmet is a red shiny, looks amazing, looks like a motorcycle helmet. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. If you're interested in this piece, please get it. It's freaking amazing. It's huge. Huge. I don't know if you can see on camera, but in real life it's very impressive. It looks so good in my apartment. I live in Los Angeles and you know, it just looks freaking cool. That's my favorite statue so far. And I got a Hulk, show you, to go with it. So yeah, they look great together. The colors look great. I get the green and I get the red and purple. Again, thank you to Miguel and Todd at Spec Fiction for the giveaway. I feel so lucky that I got it and it's amazing, beautiful. And please visit their website. So that's what it looks like during the day. I want to show you the 3 portraits. The switch outs. Looks so cool. That's my favorite. This one looks awesome. With this hand and this hand. So check it out. This one is more subtle. It's great too. And it goes with this hand. Just a regular fist. So we get this one too, which is very similar to the one I had. Just the mouth is not open. It's pretty much the same. You can compare the two. One with the white eyes and one with human eyes. So it's 4 total. Those two and this one. Which is really cool. He looks powerful even though he doesn't have the helmet. I like this one too a lot. Looks really nice. So that's it, guys. That's my Magneto. He's awesome, powerful, beautiful, huge. Love this piece. It's amazing. And again, it was a giveaway, so I got so lucky. Thank you so much, guys, at Toy Quest, Miguel, and thank you, Todd, at Spec Fiction. You guys rock. You're the best. Love this Magneto. He's amazing. I can't wait for the Thanos, for the Batman, and for the Hulk. Bye, guys. Stay strong.